After the upgrade, we start the diagnostics. Connect GT105 to colored jumpers. Connect the other end of GT105 to the OBD cable. Connect other end of the OBD cable to the device. Then power on the GT105. Click Diagnostics on the main interface. Click EOBD. Click Autoscan. After entering, we can see Function menu. Click DTC and FFD to view fault codes. Click ECRIS codes below to clear the fault codes. Return to Function menu. Click Live Data to view real-time data. Return to Function menu. Click Vehicle Information to view the vehicle information.